Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from the Dollar Bead Box and Bag, and I will have a link for both subscriptions down there below the video, so make sure you check that out. So let's open this and see what we have. Okay, here's the Dollar Bead Bag. I'll go through this first like I always do. Looks like there is a bunch of transparent colors this month. Ooh, I love that green. That's pretty. Ooh, this blue is nice too. And that one's awesome. Okay, so for the 3mm, we have Matte Sun Orange, which is this one here. Nice, pretty orange color. I think I got this last month in the 4mm. And then we have Teal, and then there's Evergreen and Opaque Light Green. Okay, so this one's Teal. Which, this does not look teal to me, I have to say. I have a 3mm Czech fire polish bead. It's called Light Teal, and it has a greenish look to it. And this here I feel like is more of an aquamarine color. It's very gorgeous though. And then there is Evergreen. This one's beautiful. I think I got this last month in the 4. I love these two colors together. They're really pretty. And then this one is the Opaque Light Green Half Silver. This is really gorgeous. I don't think I've gotten this one yet. That's a very pretty bead. And then we have Krystal Half Copper, which is this one. I think I got this in the 3mm last month. It's very beautiful. And then there's Matte Cobalt Blue. That's a pretty bead. And then we have Topaz, which is this one. This is gorgeous. I love that. It's very pretty. And then there is Matte Opaque Light Green. So this was Opaque Light, where's it at? Opaque Light Green Half Silver. This one is Matte Opaque Light Green. Very pretty. I love this color. I love the turquoisey mint colors. Those are really nice. Okay, I'm going to put this back and go to the box. Okay, I'm going to pick out the strands. Ooh, that is so cool. I like that. Love those pearls. Okay. Oh my gosh, I love all these colors. This is stunning. I love that. Okay, let's see. I'm going to stick to the list. On the top of the list we have 5mm Czech Fire Polish Krystal Tangerine 25. That's these here. Krystal Tangerine. This is a pretty cool looking bead. I have some beads like this in 4mm. I used them before in a bangle that I made. They're pretty darn cool. And I love orange and turquoise together. They just go great together. Okay, next thing is 6mm Czech glass truck amethyst. 34 pieces. That's this here. These are beautiful. These are great to have. I do not have this color in this size or in that kind of bead. And then there's 4mm, wait, am I skipping one? 6mm Czech glass pearl coral. This here, this is gorgeous. 25 pieces. It's pink, right? But I don't know if you can see or not, but there's actually like a greenish color to it. I can see it in my light. I don't know if it's showing up on my camera or not. But man, are they stunning. They're really gorgeous. And amazing quality too. They're Czech. Perfectly round. Okay, and then is this next? Yep, 4mm Czech glass pearl mint tea, 42. So last month, and even the month before, I got some of these pearls in different sizes. So I think I got a 3mm, a 4mm, and now I have this in 6, and I got this one in 6 last time. So now I have it in 4. It's gorgeous. And I love these two together. They're so pretty. And then the next thing is this 5mm Czech glass flower spacer, silver, 35 pieces. Yeah, they're little flower beads. These are great. I love stuff like this. I have boxes. I have bead boxes with just flower beads in them, and then I have bead boxes with leaf beads. So I'm always collecting flowers and leaves. They're really cute. And then the last thing for the strands is 3x4mm Chinese crystal rondelle, turquoise with rainbow luster, 100. This is a beautiful strand. I love these colors. And I love how they put their colors together. I feel like a lot of the times whenever I get something from the dollar bead box, it's always easy to make something with their stuff because they look so good together. Look at all these colors. They're so pretty together. Silver too, I'll throw that one in there. I love those. Okay, now on to the additional items. Oh, what is that? Is that a gemstone? I'm thinking that is. That's cool. Okay, top of the list. 8x16mm pewter drop antique brass. Pewter drop. So there's two of them. This. So I got this last time in the silver, and now they're giving it in the antique bronze or brass. They're really cute. I like the pattern. Next thing is 12x14mm Czech glass pillow. That's these here. Yeah, I've gotten these before in different colors. I got them in orange from the dollar bead box. And now they're in turquoise, which is my favorite color. It's such an unusual shaped bead. See the holes there? Isn't it strange? Next thing is 5mm Czech glass truck. Jet 24. That's these here. Okay, so they're truck, and truck means round Czech bead. And they're 5mm. Those are nice. And let's see, I've shown that and that. I have these to go over now. Next thing is 15mm flat fishhook ear wires. Silver plated. 3 pairs. Ear wires. That's these here. So when they say flat, they're talking about this right here that's hammered to make it look decorative. Those are nice. And then we have 8x12mm Czech glass leaf. Travertine with copper wash. Leaf. This. 6 pieces. Oh wow, I love these. Travertine with copper wash. So, it doesn't really say what the color is, but it does look to me like green Picasso. Green Picasso is awesome. It's one of my favorite Picassos. I love blue Picasso, the red, and the green. Man, they are awesome. Yeah. It's either green or yellow. They also call it avocado Picasso. And as you guys know, if you've watched my videos, I make beaded flowers, and I use these leaves to make my beaded flowers, and I have several different videos showing how to make flowers with these beads here, so that's what I'll be doing with those. You can go back through my videos and you'll find where I've used these here to make beaded flowers. Okay, after the leaves, I'm looking for 15 through 16mm dyed agate cross. That's this. Color varies. Ooh, I got my favorite color. I got a turquoisey teal color. Wonder what other colors they have. That's cute. I like that. That's really cute. Okay, oh, you know what? This goes really well with these. You can put this in between those two. Make a bracelet. This one also. This one can go in between those two. Make a simple bracelet. Okay, next thing is There's the cross. 18 by 24 millimeter oval Cornelian pendant. That's this here, one piece. This is neat. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how it's drilled. So I was thinking the hole's going to be like this. No, the hole is coming through like right here. That's the hole, and it's not even straight to the side. It's going through an angle. So it is a little screwy. But of course I will find a use for it. And then the next thing is 22 through 24 millimeter freshwater stick pearl. This one? 2 pieces. Yeah. They give some really neat, unique pearls that I've never had before in the dollar bead box. Some big, chunky ones, all different shapes. This is cool. I don't know if it's showing up on my camera, but it's not white. It looks white on my camera. It's actually like a silver gray color. It's pretty. And then 10 through 12 millimeter Baroque pearl. This one? It's 1 piece, yeah. Ooh, it's pretty. It's pretty close to being round too. Very tiny hole. I would like to have a ring out of this. It's a beautiful pearl. Okay, next thing is 16 by 24 millimeter antique brass rectangle. This one. Is this a bead frame? No, it's not. There's no hole in it. So I think what I would do with this is I would do stitching around it. Brick stitch, is that what I'm thinking? I'm trying to remember. Brick or square? I want to say it's brick. I'd probably do that around it, although the corners would be confusing to do. So I would have to figure that out. But that's a neat piece to have. Alright, next thing is 14 millimeter flower bead cap. Antique silver too. That's these. These are awesome. I love these. And it looks like I would have to use them on a large bead because they're pretty darn big. Do you guys ever notice that some bead caps, not these, but some bead caps, you can actually put them together and they fit together like a little puzzle piece, and you can actually have them as a bead? Some bead caps you could do it with. Some you can't. Those are neat. Okay, going on. Next thing is 3 by 7 millimeter oval link chain. This antique copper. Oh, this is awesome. I need copper chain. Have very little. I was just going through my stash trying to get some from a project, and the supplies are very limited on copper chain. This is pretty, and it's a link that I use quite often. And I think that the links are closed. I can't tell if it's soldered or not. Right there is the opening. But I can't tell if it's soldered or not. If it is, that's awesome. I want to say it is. That one definitely looks like it's soldered, because that means it's a very strong chain. Happy about that. I do wish it was longer though. It's only a foot long. Next thing is Pewter Banjos. These here. I got these last month in the copper color. Antique copper. They're cute. And then there is 8mm Swarovski 6328 Exilian Indian Sapphire AB. 2 pieces. 8mm. I don't have many 8mm bicones. Wow. These are gorgeous. These are really gorgeous. I love that color. So they're calling it Indian Sapphire AB. That's a beautiful color. Actually, I don't even know how to describe that color. Kind of looks green. I have this Preciosa Czech bicone. It's called Tourmaline, and it is an amazing color. It is so beautiful. These kind of remind me of it, but mine is not AB. It's transparent. Those are gorgeous though. Love those. Okay, so here are all the goodies, and there again are some really nice pieces in here. I'm never disappointed in the Dollar Bead Box. They're always giving out really nice things in their boxes and their bags. A lot of fun goodies to play with. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.